Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is chicken fried rice. So let's get started. Here I have 100 grams of chicken pieces, boneless chicken pieces cut into small chunks. Add in some salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. If you don't have corn flour, you can add maida and mix it well. Keep it aside for 10 minutes. So in a pan, I have taken some oil. It doesn't need much oil. So I'm gonna add chicken pieces. Marinated chicken pieces. Once it is done, flip it on other side. Cook well for about 8 minutes on each side and take it out. Fried chicken is ready. So in a wide pan, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil, finely chopped ginger and garlic. Saute it well. I'm gonna add some vegetables. Here I'm gonna add 1 onion finely chopped. Saute it well. Add 1 carrot finely chopped, few beans and half capsicum finely chopped. Add salt to taste. Half teaspoon of soya sauce. Half teaspoon of green chili sauce. And also I'm gonna add fried chicken and mix it well. Now make a space in the center. I'm gonna add 2 eggs, pinch of salt and mix it well. Once it is done, I'm gonna mix up with all the veggies and chicken pieces. And finally, I'm gonna add cooked rice, 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, half teaspoon of pepper powder, and give it a good mix. So this chicken fried rice is very mild, so your kids will definitely enjoy it. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Yeah, thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Meet you in the next video. Bye.